Hello and welcome, tech enthusiasts, early adopters, and curious minds. I'm thrilled to stand before you as we embark on an exciting journey together. I'm Pat, the creator behind Tech Modernize, and I couldn't be more excited to welcome each and every one of you to our tech-driven community. First and foremost, I want to express my sincere gratitude for joining us here. In a world filled with endless possibilities, your decision to be a part of Tech Modernize means the world to me. Whether you're a seasoned tech veteran or just starting to explore the vast universe of technology, you're in the right place. At Tech Modernize, we believe in the transformative power of technology. Our mission is to bridge the gap between the present and the future, exploring the latest innovations, dissecting cutting-edge gadgets, and delving into the trends that are shaping the world around us. We're not just observers, we're active participants in the ever-evolving tech landscape. So, what can you expect from Tech Modernize? Well, buckle up for a thrilling ride. We'll be unboxing the latest tech wonders, diving into in-depth product reviews, sharing practical tech tips, and exploring the realms of futuristic technologies. But more than that, this channel is a space for collaboration and community. I want to hear from you, your thoughts, your questions, and your ideas. Tech Modernize is not just a one-way street, it's a conversation. Your insights and experiences are valuable, and I encourage you to share them in the comments below each video. Let's build a community where we learn and grow together. Before I wrap up, I want to thank you once again for choosing Tech Modernize as your go-to source for all things tech. The future is now, and we're here to embrace it together. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, join our growing community, and let's embark on this exciting journey of modernizing tech. Thank you for being here. Get ready for a tech-fueled adventure. I'm Pat, signing off, and I'll catch you in the next video.